Hola, my name is Ali. Welcome to my channel. Our microwave in the house just suddenly stopped working for reasons we don't know, and we just noticed that there's no display in this part of the microwave. So, for today's video, I'm going to share with you how I troubleshoot our microwave in the house. So, the first thing that I did is to go to our utility room to check for any breaker tube off. But I'm not bringing you there because our utility room is not a very charming one. In other words, ang tsakas. So, wag na lang. So, I found out that there is indeed a circuit breaker chip off. I reset that one, and when I tested our microwave, it's really not working. So, next thing that I did is to check for the power source. And I just found out that there's actually no power coming or going into the electrical socket intended for our microwave. So with that being said, we tried changing the circuit breaker, and now it's time to test for the power. Okay, let's try. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Nothing. I tried charging my cell phone in that same electrical outlet, and it was working. Our appliances came with the house, so I don't have the warranty papers. So we gotta do what we gotta do. I am not an electrician nor a surgeon, but I'm going to try to operate in this thing and see what's happening inside. Let's open this up. Open this thing. So this is it. Let's see. Oh, it's a little burned. Let me just grab this and give you a closer look. Ah, this one. There you go. So at least we now have a suspect. And let's try replacing this thing and see if it will work. Hopefully. So our existing fuse for the microwave it's actually 20 amps and 125 volts. And then I have this set of replacement fuse. We got this from Amazon, and it's actually 20 amps but 250 volts. So they said we can go higher, but we can go lower. So I hope this one works. So changing the microwave fuse is my last resort, and that is based on my capability. I don't know what else to do, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't, it's time to call it professional or a replacement. But let's think positive. Let's try this. Let's do this. Diyos ko, kinakabahan ako. Baka sumabog. This is it, pansit. Diyos ko, kinakabahan ako. Baka sumabog. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh! Yes! Woo! Once! Yes! I just saved our microwave. Happy. Okay, so let's try updating the clock settings. It's 11:56. And maybe start. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. For more home improvements and DIY projects, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye! See you again next time!